Hey entrepreneurs, it's Sam Day here from DeyTips, and in this video I'm speaking about WordPress and whether or not WordPress is free and what you can use WordPress for. So it's a difficult question because technically, yes, WordPress is free, but you need a hosting account in order to utilize WordPress, and on that hosting account you can then install WordPress. Now there's loads of different hosting accounts that you can actually make use of. Now Hostinger is one that is really affordable, and that's one of the reasons why I've partnered with them on this YouTube channel. So I'm actually going to be showing you how to install WordPress once you have your domain name and how to do that using Hostinger. But fundamentally, before we even get into that, I wanted to make a distinction between WordPresscom and WordPress.org. Now WordPress.com is a free platform. You don't need any hosting, and you can publish content on WordPress.com simply by creating an account. But there are so many limitations to using WordPress.com, and I don't recommend it, particularly if you're trying to start a business where you're selling a product or you're selling a service. You're not going to be able to do it as effectively as if you create your own domain and you have your own hosting and install WordPress on that hosting account. So as I mentioned, you have to pay for your hosting, but once you have your hosting account, you can install WordPress for free and you can actually navigate through that website and utilize it. And there's so many benefits to having a WordPress website, including the fact that it is very SEO friendly. So there's so many different plugins that you can utilize to help you to boost your SEO. And I guess that's another feature of WordPress as well, is whatever you want to add to your website, to your WordPress website, chances are there is a plugin for it, whether that be an SEO plugin, whether that be an email marketing plugin. There's people creating plugins all of the time using WordPress, and that kind of makes it really simple and easy for you to utilize. Now, one of the downsides I would say to WordPress is that it can be a platform that people find complicated to use. That's one of the feedbacks that I've gotten from a lot of my subscribers here on YouTube, which is why I create tutorials on other platforms too, so that you can find the platform that best suits your personal needs for your business. However, if you can get your head around how to navigate through WordPress, then this can be really beneficial for you, because there's a lot that you can do with WordPress that you can't do with other platforms. WordPress have a natural e-commerce solution which is called WooCommerce. So this kind of allows you to sell products directly through your WordPress website, and I guess it's similar to platforms like Shopify, where you can upload your products and sell them directly from your website. So personally, I actually prefer Shopify to WooCommerce just because of the ease of use and how really good looking your website can be with Shopify. But the downside to Shopify is a lot of websites that use Shopify look exactly the same, and if you want your website to stand out and be a little bit more distinctive, then WooCommerce could be a really great platform for you. Now, another hidden cost with WordPress is actually your theme. So once you install WordPress, it will give you a default theme, and there are free themes that you can utilize for your website as well. And by a theme, I basically mean how your website looks, and you can buy these themes and you can upload them to your website, and your website can look completely different literally within a few clicks. Now, although you can get these themes for free, the more advanced and the better ones usually have a price tag that go with it, and depending on what type of theme you want, you can be spending anywhere from $50 on a theme all the way up to $500 to $1,000, if not more, on a really expensive theme. So usually, as a rule of thumb, the more expensive your theme is, then the better it works and the less issues you're likely to have with that theme. I always recommend looking at the reviews of a theme before you make a purchase, see what people are saying about it, and also making sure you can actually contact someone as well if something happens to the theme. If something happens, you want to make sure you can contact the company behind the theme and you can get some assistance with it. I've definitely used WordPress themes before where the customer service hasn't been great and my website has been down, and it's been a direct result of that theme, and it's been really painful and really annoying. So I highly recommend utilizing a theme that you know has good reviews and good customer service. Maybe contact the customer service team before you even make the purchase. But in short, yes, WordPress is free. There's WordPresscom, which is definitely free, and then there's WordPress.org, which is free, but you do need to be paying for hosting in order to utilize it. And when you do pay for hosting, you may also need to buy a theme. So that being said, you do want to have a budget for creating your WordPress website. I do have a few tutorials on how you can start your WordPress website, and I'll leave those videos in the description down below as well. There's also Hostinga, which is a great platform for you to actually host your WordPress website, and I'm going to show you how to use that now. So this is what Hostinga will look like when you go to the website. As you can see, they have hosting plans that start from £1.99, and what you want to do is go down here and click on the Get Started button, and it will show you some of their hosting plans that they have available. They have a single web hosting plan, they have a premium web hosting plan, and they have a business web hosting plan. Now with the premium web hosting plan, you can actually get 100 websites. You can get 25,000 visits monthly. You get 100 gigabytes of SSD storage, and as well as that, you get unlimited bandwidth and so much more. So I recommend choosing whichever plan suits you best and then adding that to your cart. And then on checkout, you want to make sure you go down to where it says have a coupon. Click on that and then type in the coupon code SAMDAY as I've left in the description. Click add and you will see a reduction in your total price. And when you've done that, click on submit secure payment. So this is what the inside of Hostinga will look like. It's very user-friendly and very simple. And you want to go down to where it says hosting, and I'm going to show you how simple it is to install WordPress. If you click manage and go down to dashboard, you should actually see an option to install WordPress. And as soon as you click on that, it will take you through the simple process of installing WordPress on your domain. So all you have to do is put your website title, your email address, your username, your password, and click next, and this will install WordPress for you. It will then take you to this section where I recommend keeping the options as the default, and then you can click install. And the process to install won't take long at all, and as soon as it's complete, you'll have WordPress installed on your website. So hopefully this video brought you value, and now you can go away and start your WordPress website using a Hostinga account. I also have the formula, guys, because once you create your website, you want to be able to drive traffic and tangible leads and sales back to it. So as you can see next to me, here is a copy. I will also leave a copy somewhere on this screen. It's absolutely free, so make sure you go and click the link and download it. But I really do hope that this video was useful to you, and if it was, then please click the like button down below and make sure you share this video with a friend. If you have any additional questions or comments, then leave them for me in the comment section. But until next time, watch some of my other great videos. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for more awesome business related content. Have a great day. Make sure you download the formula, and I will see you soon.